In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking how to configure the Firebase notification feature for the Shopify mobile app. So first of all, I'll be showing you how to get the Firebase credentials by navigating to firebase.google.com. As you can see right now, I'm on the page that's the firebase.google.com. And thereafter, I'll be showing you how to install the push notification and how to set up the configuration there and how to send the push notifications that are with the default system there and the manual system as well. But first of all, let's check how to get the Firebase credentials. So you need to navigate to the firebase.google.com. Here on this page, on the top right hand corner, you'll have to tap on the Go to Console button. That will bring up the sign in section. So here you'll have to sign into your Google account. So let me enter the password for my Google account. Thereafter, you have to tap on the next button and you'll be signed into the Firebase console. So you'll have the URL with the console.firebase.google.com. Now here, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to add a project. So here you tap on the add project option. Here you need to enter your project name. So I'll set it as test app project and then tap on the continue button. Scroll down on this step second and tap continue. Here choose the default account for the Firebase and tap on the create project thereafter. Now this will take around a minute or so to create your project. So as soon as the project has been created, then we can proceed further. So it's about to finish up and we'll see the rest of the flow there of getting the credentials. So you can see that the new project is ready. Now let's tap here on the continue button. As soon as we have tapped there on the continue button, now we have this particular screen. So here's our test app project, and now you can choose to add an app to get started. You can go for the iOS as well, or the Android, or for the web. So for now, I'll be choosing the Android. I'll just tap here on the Android. Now we need to add the Firebase to your Android application. So for that, we'll enter the Android package name. So you might be having your Android package name. So for now, I'll just be entering a demo Android package name, com.example.my app. Then you can set up the app nickname, my new app. Then tap here on the register app button. This will take you to the second step there. That's the download the configuration file. So from here you can download the config file and you can switch to the project view in the Android Studio to see your project root directory there. And then you need to move the Google service.json file you just downloaded here into your Android app module root directory. Then tap here on the next button. For this section, just tap here on the next. And lastly, tap on the continue to console. Now you can see that here's the project name, the test app project. Then we have the Android My New App. Just tap on that and tap here on the configuration button. Now this would bring up the general settings, as you can see right now. So here you can find the project ID that is required for the Firebase configuration in the admin backend panel of your Shopify web store. So I'll be showing you that in a while from now. Now this is the project ID. Now let's go to the cloud messaging tab. So here you have the server key or the FCM key, and here's your sender ID. Now these three things are to be used in the backend configuration there. So let me show you that. For that, let's hop on to the Shopify backend. So you can see that I'm right now on the Shopify backend. Now here, after you've successfully installed the MobiCool mobile app from the Shopify store, under the sales channel, you'll have the MobiCool mobile app. You have to tap on that, and that will bring up this particular section. Here we need to go to the configurations. We need to go to the integrations first. So under the integrations, we have the App Store, and under the App Store, we have the push notification. So we'll be installing this app. So I'll tap install and tap OK on the prompt there. And this would install the push notification feature within the MobiCool mobile app there. Now to the left of the integration, you can see that we have the push notification option. So if I tap on the push notification, Here you can create manually the push notifications, and you can send it out onto the Movicool mobile app there. Now coming back to the configuration part. Now we have to go to the configuration. So here I'll tap on the configuration, and here under the app settings we have the push notification, as you can see. And under the push notification we have the option to enter the Firebase credentials. So here we'll be adding the sender ID. So here we have the sender ID, so we'll use this up there. Then coming back, we have the Firebase Cloud messaging key. So this is the Firebase messaging key, the server key. You need to copy this up and you need to paste it here. Then you need to set up the topic, and this is basically a unique topic for the Firebase itself. So you have to type that in, and you have to mention your topic. And lastly, we have the project ID, and to get the project ID, we'll just go to the general, and here we have the project ID, and this needs to be copied and pasted here. And thereafter you have to tap here on the save button to save the Firebase configuration credentials there. Now here itself under the configurations, under push notifications, we have the Firebase configuration, and we have the other configuration as well. So if I go to the other configuration, here we can choose the options here for which automatic push notifications would be sent out, like on the order fulfillment, product price drop, or order create, order cancel. So for these things, whenever these events happen, automatic push notifications would be sent out to the customers on their mobile app for the Shopify store itself. Now how to send the push notifications manually. So after we are done here, we'll go to the push notification tab here on the top, and here we can add a new notification by tapping here on the right hand side on the add notification. So we'll be setting up the title, the message, whether you want to redirect it to the home page, a category, or a product, and according to that then you can add a category from the available list. You can tap on the add button, and you can choose to select the customers, specified customers, or all customers. Upload an image for your notification, tap on the save button, and we're done creating a new notification. Now to send the notification, you can directly tap here on the send message to send the notification to the customers on their mobile devices. So yes, that was much about today's video, and I just showed you how to configure the Firebase notification feature for the Shopify mobile app, and we saw how to get the Firebase credentials and how to install the push notification, how to set up the automatic push notifications there for the events like order place and the other ones. And we also saw how we can create a notification in the push notification option, and how we can manually send out the push notifications to the customers onto their mobile devices there. So that was much, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.